3 California teens from Pacific Palisades are making waves for their community. After wildfires torched local businesses, they've raised over $100,000 through their Build Back Pali fundraiser to rebuild mom and pop shops by 2030.
It's really shocking to me to see this place that I've grown up for the past 15 years leveled to the ground, and also all my neighbors that we're close with and all their properties being destroyed. And I think that was the most shocking part about this, and I think that's what really drives me to want to help other people that are going through the same thing that I did.
One of them adding they hope to inspire kids around the world that they don't have to sit back and watch. They can make a difference as well. Talk about the American spirit.